In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Asana templates to streamline your projects. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website. If you're already an Asana user, click on Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, you can start by clicking Get Started or Try for free. Setting up your account is straightforward and user-friendly, getting you ready to dive into the many benefits Asana has to offer. Once you're on your dashboard, focus on selecting the right template for your needs. Asana offers a vast array of pre-made templates tailored explicitly for a variety of purposes. Whether you're tackling a marketing campaign, orchestrating a product launch, or planning an event, there's a template designed to meet your demands. For those unique workflows, remember, you also have the option to create custom templates that cater directly to your or your team's specific requirements. When you're ready to create a new project, click on the Create button, then select Project, and finally use a template. This will guide you through Asana's diverse selection of templates. Using templates is particularly beneficial for standardizing repetitive tasks. For those projects or tasks that recur regularly, employing templates saves you time by eliminating the need to build them from scratch each time. Make sure that essential steps, task assignments, and timelines are all included in your templates. This is vital for maintaining consistency across your projects. With a consistent structure, teams are more likely to follow the same process every time, enhancing efficiency and ensuring that best practices are upheld. This level of consistency also bolsters accountability within your team. One of the great advantages of using Asana templates is the ability to customize and adjust them as needed. Templates are just that, a starting point. Tweak them based on your project's specific needs. You can adjust due dates, task owners, and descriptions to better fit your objectives. Additionally, setting up dependencies and priority levels can further refine your project management process, ensuring everything flows smoothly from start to finish. Collaboration is made significantly easier with Asana templates as well. They can include pre-assigned tasks, comments from team members, and even file attachments. This means your team can dive straight in without waiting for additional instructions, accelerating the start of project work and improving productivity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on creating and using Asana templates to streamline your projects. By incorporating templates into your workflow, you stand to improve not just efficiency, but also consistency and collaboration within your team. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you can now confidently leverage Asana templates to enhance your project management experience. Happy planning!